Hello folks, my name is Larry and welcome to my YouTube video. Today I just wanted to shoot a short video of this really nice Mesquite. It's a root trunk. And my dog got to get in the video there. She got to check things out. She's blind and deaf. We got her as a puppy in a ditch. Somebody tried to kill her and we rescued her. So she's turned out to be a pretty good dog. But before we jumped off on the dog there, just want to kind of shoot this video of this little root system we have here. This will make a fantastic coffee table. It's I think 51 inches by like 55 inches at the other widest point across the top. The base is probably around 32, 33 inches. Roughly, it's not exact. Of course, it's a piece of log, so there's no exact measurements. The height of it is about 28 inches. We've run it through a sawmill. Our old homemade sawmill you see in some of our other videos. So we got the top or the bottom, whichever way you'd like to use it, pretty flush, cut pretty straight. Now the base of it needs some trimming. It's going to need to be cut to the height the person so desires. We've made a bunch of these, 6 or 7 of them, and I've used a lot of them. 2 of them for myself. The rest we've already sold. To give you a little insight, folks, it takes a lot of time to process these things. Now this one's been down for about a year now, and it required a lot of work to get it, on a trailer, get it to our facility, run it through the sawmill, pressure wash it 3 times, debark most of it, not all of it. Still needs a little more debarking in the tighter parts of it. But it can be yours. We've got it up for sale. If you're interested, drop me a message in the YouTube message channel here. Again, this is a Mesquite root trunk system. Can be flipped top or bottom as you see it, either way. Put your glass top on it. This will make a marvelous piece. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you're interested, send me a message. Hit the like and subscribe button. We'll be posting many more. Again, my name is Larry with Woodshack Woodworking and tx-covers.com. Thanks for watching.